Let us continue with the networking practicals. In this practical, you will learn how to find out a trace route from your PC to the target domain. So without any wasting much time, let's dive into the command prompt. You might be wondering, what is traceroute? In computing, traceroute and tracert are computer network diagnostic commands for displaying the route and measuring transit delays of packets across an internet protocol network. So, once you have launched the command prompt, type tracert, Tracert. Make sure you have to just type the domain name, and here we are using flipkart.com. If you press www. You'll get an error because Tracert works on the domain, and press enter. Now a router is working to find out the route between your PC and the target domain. So let us wait till the result arrives. So as you can see on the screen that our computer has successfully completed the trace route. Now let's interpret the results. You can see that the first request was sent to IP address 192.168.43.200. That router tried sending the request, but the second request timed out, and therefore it tried again after 93 milliseconds, and the next hop was at router 10.71.249.2. After that, the next hop was at 172.25.19.13. The next hop 172.26.46.184, and the second last hop is 172.17.120.4. And finally there were lots of request timed out errors, and finally it reached our destination 163.53.78.128, which you can see it is the IP address of Flipkart. So as you can see, there were total 6 hops between the destination: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the final one. So in this way, traceroute command has got executed.